King, did you do this?
Yeah.
What'd you do this for?
Oh, see.
For me? You put the flowers out.
What's one?
Sunset shit done TV, sunset shit done change. Ever since we were, I see you on TV, sunset shit done change. Talk to the lover, doc, got niggas mad, my flow so hot. Got niggas mad, my squad won't stop. We in the game, won't take no loss, I'm sipping water.
You made this for Kylie? Who helped you with this? Oh, thank you. You hanging pics?
Hey, happy
I love being a puppy with you, sister. I love being a puppy with you, sister. These are still our puppy personalities.
I'm gonna cheat my ass off. Well, you have time, so it's fine.
Hey, Uncle Steven. Look, we have a kid too, but he's a big kid. Come here.
Hey guys.
Pretty good.
Beautiful Thanksgiving.
You gotta open that up.
I want to post that actually. They take a picture.
Alright, so I'm just preparing my food this morning, and if you know me, you know I love to cook breakfast. I'm going to show you guys what I'm cooking today. So I start with bacon, pretty simple, but I do love this company. It's my fave. I just prepared my potatoes. I did garlic salt, seasoned salt, and seasoned pepper. So I cut them into little squares like these. Okay, I made a little sausage scramble. I did chicken, apple sausage, onions, and peppers. And I just put a little olive oil in the pan and sprinkled it with garlic powder. Okay, this is my favorite part, flaky French toast. This is eggs, milk, vanilla extract, and cinnamon, and crushed frosted. You want it to look like this. At least I like when it looks like this. And with every meal, I make rice and eggs and cheesy eggs because T just loves this and always asks for it. So I just make it.